Alright, this is what an extended balcony looks like. Let's start off with the closet space. So we actually do have a pull down so it could fit 4 people in this room. Lots of hangers available. And you can actually remove this bar if you want some more space for your hanging clothes. We usually leave it in place. More storage. Probably replace those towels because that looks a little messy. But one cool thing about these shelves are you can get some more space by lifting it up and then locking this in place. And then you got some more if you're going to put something in a little taller. Sometimes they have a bar so you can hang stuff. But we like the shelves. And there's a full-length mirror on the inside of the last one. There's the phone. We just have the one plug and a Euro plug over here. This is that front light. We actually ordered some water for the room. And even though it went through dry dock, looks like it still have the old cabinets, the old furniture. It's not soft close. That's the drawer space. The fridge, they added some vent space so the fridge can cool down a little faster. So I hate, they have the fridge on the opposite side. I wish it lined up with the door. But you can adjust these shelves for more space or different things you want to put in here. It's a bit of a cooler, so not too cold as a fridge. If you need something colder for medical reasons, you can just ask your room steward. I like to leave it a little vent because it does cool out the fridge a little better. These waters are in your room. If you have the red card or gold level and more, you can use these, or you can grab them from the bar. They'll charge you your card and it'll say $0. If it's your first time, you will be paying that price. There's the safe. It's with a keypad. And still a small TV. I know on the Celebration and Jubilee and Mardi Gras it's a bit bigger. They have a mirror and a little bit more storage. Now our room is going to be 3 adults, so we chose to open this space up with 2 twins, and this may turn into another twin bed, or we can have this one pulled down and keep the sofa for some seating. So that would be a really cool feature for later. They've added some new lights in here. So let's get a closer look at those. And actually they have the USB and USB-C plug. I'll let you know if those still work. For some reason this is flipped. So they have this plug over here for you too. And then this turns off the main light area. Nice space in between the beds. So we just got our carry-on luggage in here. Our main luggage will be delivered a little bit later. This little table is nice, especially if you're going to eat room service in here. Oh look, we have our nice towels. So we'll let our room steward know to get rid of those old ones. The button for the bathroom is right here on the outside. And we have some hooks out here. So this is a look of the bathroom space. So it looks like they replaced the flooring, so it's a bit more vibrant. And the sink area has the same amount of storage. I love the lighting because I know in other videos, it looks like it was like a yellow tint. So having the whiter light is a lot better for us. Looks like we got a vent over here. And then the great thing about the shower is this thing is adjustable. You can bring it lower if you have some little ones. They have a soap dish here. Some of the other ships, they do like the corner little thing to hold your material. And you control the heat and then how powerful you like it. They have a little clothing line that you can drag across the way to hang things you want to dry. So As this is an Alaska cruise, it could be if you got caught in the rain, you want to dry some things over here. Though the walls are magnetic, so you can add some extra hooks if you like. There's some hooks in here for towels. And we have the plug right here for razors or sometimes electric toothbrush. And then out here, you can see this how you adjust the temperature in your room. Cold and hot, that is purely it. And the weather will come from this thing right here. All right, so let's take a look at our extended balcony. You just sent them to me. Yeah. This is the balcony. We actually have extended, so we're able to get 3 chairs out here. So it's a little bit longer because it'll normally stop right here. And a good look. So we can all get a really great view. I'll show you some of the pictures and videos I get throughout this adventure of what a balcony view looks like in Alaska. Thank you so much for watching Drea's Travels. Please like, subscribe, and share. Where do you like to stay when you stay on a cruise? Are you a balcony, inside, ocean view, front, back, middle? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now.